Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. So my friends, update here on AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. Yeah, we have here a very important price action. What we have to talk about right now is that we gapping down here 8.8% in the pre-market. What does that mean, guys? Why we do see a shakeout like that? I try to answer that question here by using my chart techniques. Everything what I say here is, as you know, not financial advice. I give you here my opinion based on the chart, based on the technicals. Yo, first of all, guys, nothing to worry in my opinion. If you think, or I don't know what the news are telling you, if you know the media are telling you that AMD is a bad investment, guys, look at this chart. So we're talking here about the price action when we just see here the past, almost 5 years from March 2020, where we had the big pandemic shakeout, you can see AMD was trading at $38 and we had a peak of $227. So if we just measure this price action here, AMD had a price run up here in total of 518% from this March 2020 shakeout to the peak which we had in March 2024. So it's running in cycles, guys. That is very often you will find that here when you compare stocks, how they trade, they running in cycles, and it's also nothing special when a stock is correcting here 50, 60, 70%. You can see this is just an accumulation from the big whales, from the big pockets here before they create these new price levels here and new all-time highs. In my opinion, guys, AMD is a very, very bullish stock. We have a super bullish trading setup here, and this correction might be over soon. We have two price levels here which we have to watch out for. So I show you now here all the details in the chart. So then let's enable the drawings and let's check what causes this kind of gap down here. It is not I'm not wondering about this. I can say that already here now, because I said we have here a liquidity zone where I expect the price to go. The main price level is here $102. This is here, in my opinion, the most strongest support which we have here based on the actual price, so closest to the actual price. One make it or break it price level was already $122 and is of course still a very important price level. When we switch off here the indicators, we can see that the market makers, as soon as AMD tried to break $122, the white line here in the chart, that the market makers stepped in and created these kind of down momentum here, downtrend. So here we had a retest here back in March 2023, 1, 2 retests and failed. Then here again retest, we failed, and then with volume here we broke this price level. Then we came back from this top, which was here $227. Had a retest again with a huge bounce. So we know that $122 is a very significant price level. And what is an indicator for that, guys? Very easy to see. When we just focus here on the white line in the chart, you can see how the market makers start to gap down the price here. We have a gap down here, the price gap down once, gap down twice, then we came back, retested here, failed again with a gap down. So it's very simple. I don't know what the news are telling you, but this is everything based on algos. So what we have right now is that we have here a bullish liquidity zone, which means a demand zone where usually the bulls buy the dip, is here between $109 and $123. And what we see right now while I'm recording this video, that again, the bottom is very strong here, very strong support. And this is why you see exactly this happen here. The bulls are, sorry, the market makers, not the bulls, the bears in that case, use the low liquidity, extended trading hours, in that case here, the pre-market, to bring the price below this price level here, guys, below $109, because they know that here is a strong demand zone for the algos, which usually buy up the dip. That's why, guys, in my opinion, if we don't recover today really quick, if the price is not closing above $109 today, I think $101 will be the next price target here for AMD, and that would be very, very interesting. I honestly want to see that. This is something like a potential showdown, because what we can see here, I know I have a lot of drawings here, I will clean that up later, guys, the chart, but we have here two trend channel patterns here for AMD. Before I explain that in detail, guys, while AMD is tanking down 9%, one of my other so-called Patreon swing trade alerts is squeezing more than 300%. I always talk here about short squeeze stocks on my channel. Not only I talk about them, I really try to predict short squeezes. Yeah, this is one of my missions here. The main purpose is to educate you in trading, but I love to trade short squeeze stocks. Even AMD is a super cool investment, but it is not a short squeeze investment if you want to gamble with short squeeze stocks. We have here now a 300% squeeze here in just 2 days. This ticker is still squeezing, so it might go higher. And yeah, I present here always on my Patreon here short squeeze stocks, and of course upload here every Sunday my very popular hot stocks, yeah, which means in these videos I present tickers with high short squeeze potential, and I expect those tickers to squeeze in the very few next days. You can see here some of the member feedbacks where my members made a lot of profits on that. There is no guarantee, of course, guys. Yeah, I cannot see the future, but I give my best to predict short squeezes here. And if you want to see my finest selection of short squeeze stocks, then you can join in here our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership on Patreon. You get all these member benefits here when you join in, guys. Every day new people joining in, so we are growing very fast. And if you also want to become a part of this trading community, please click the info icon here in the corner to get access to this Patreon member link. So what is so interesting about AMD, guys? Because when we zoom out, as I said, I will clean up the chart after this video. It is too messed up here, but we have here this trend channel pattern which is supporting the price in favor of the bulls. This is this trend channel pattern here. And the flip coin is that since the all-time high has been in, we have a descending trend channel pattern which is regulating the price to the downside. Very similar to the situation here from March, from the Corona pandemic here, where we had this huge bull run. The peak was in November 2021. A lot of assets, guys, Bitcoin, everything started to sell off in November 2021, and so also did AMD. And you can see then we had this big correction move here incoming in total of 66%. Yeah, that was the bottom. Then we started to squeeze. During that time, in my opinion, the technical bottom for AMD was here in the $75 range, but you can see the price came lower than that. This is what the market makers do. They create these kind of shakeouts, yeah, these kind of panic sell-offs here. Yeah, everybody think, oh, this stock is tanking to zero, and then you can see the result is that even AMD started to squeeze here. In total from this price move here more than 300%. Of course that takes here a couple of days, and this is where we are right now. So we have now here this descending trend channel here, and we just need to know where are the next price levels. In my opinion, guys, if we don't see a technical reaction at $101, this is the price level what I expect if we don't recover here really quick. Then I think, guys, we will come a little bit lower and start to close some of the open gaps. I think the worst case scenario, the absolute worst case scenario, would be here between $75 and $50. But for now, I can tell you that those trend channels here, this uptrend channel and this descending downtrend channel, this accumulation channel here or the distribution channel, they are meeting exactly here in the $100 range here, between $110 and $100, guys. Here is the touch point of both trend channels. That's why I think, guys, that could be a very good opportunity here to buy the dip for AMD. Not financial advice, but this is what the chart is telling us. We have so many up gaps here. Even $205 is one up gap. It was the same for Tesla, by the way, guys. Tesla did exactly the same thing. I also said when Tesla was around $100 that I think that is the end of this shakeout, and I expect for this for AMD here in the $100 range. If we should come lower than that, guys, then these open gaps here are one of the price goals before we see a bullish reversal and even new all-time highs in the future for AMD. This is my opinion, guys. Yeah, this is what I think, and this is what I can tell you here based on the chart. By the way, if you want to copy here my price levels from the chart, the landing zone which I expect is here $101. Don't forget, guys, between $109 and $122 we have here this bullish accumulation zone, and the trend channel bottom here is also around $104. That's why I think here every price here in this yellow box here on this yellow circle is a potential price target here before we see maybe here a bigger squeeze or a bullish reversal for AMD. If the market stays bullish, guys, yeah, of course we are in the bull market right now. If the market should completely turn bearish, which I expect in 2025 to happen, but not yet, then it's a different story. But of course I will update you here on my channel. Guys, if you want to copy here the price levels, this is here everything based on TradingView. This is the chart program what I use for all my videos and all my trades, and I can highly recommend that if you want to learn trading, please invest in yourself and invest in a good chart program. This is, in my opinion, essential to be successful in trading. I can offer you here a $15 discount link on TradingView on the premium tier. When you click the info icon in the corner, you get access to this $15 discount link. So, my friends, that was the quick and dirty update on AMD. If you don't want to miss any updates, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one. Arigatou gozaimasu. Vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.